Ebi byagambwa orukukurira emirimo ED aha kitongore kya Uganda Bureau of Statistics ekirukukira kuhandiika hamwe n'okubara abantu n'ebintu byabo omu Uganda. Ngo bwahati bahereze kuba nibatebeekanisa buri kimwe ekirukwetagisa kukora sensasi y'omwaka ogu gw'2023. Kandi ebyokureberaho babikoriire omu za district zirukwingana 15 kandi yashaba abantu okufayo bakakiira enkora egi ngu teine ekigendererwa kibi kyona.
The National Census Committee Council will determine a date when there will be a census launch. Census launch is that we shall now be telling the country that the census is on, all things are ready, the census is up and running. So that's one of the main activities, and therefore the media. We are going to be with our colleague here to help advocating for census. There are so many myths around census. Many people think when they are counted, their children die. When you say you have animals, your animals will die.
Obira ari human resource manager w'ekitongore eki yashaba abakozesa kutaha enkora y'okuyamba abakozi babo okukyendeza za stress aha mirimo.
Abakozi ba gavumenti biine kitwakweta nka stress nangwa ati gavumenti yonka abakozi bingi erigenda biine okuraha omu mutwe narishi bakweta stress akuba nibakora munonga tibine bwire bw'okuhumura abakama babo nibashaba ebintu bingi kandi obwe babubwire bwabo okuhumuraho niyo kukora ebisasaizi hati cyo kiretira abantu ekibakora kyakyendera narishi ekitweta ka productivity omuntu oshemeye kuba nakuha amani gegona n'amagezi gegona omureba hati nahika amurumu buhikaho ahikaho ngashesho rero hire kandi kugira ngo nanembera yense hati teterire ubwa yasiga batine cyo kurya acika murumo ashange bizubu kandi bose nawe namukwata kubi so ekinanisha aba nyino kuranga abakozesa babantu ningashi ba supervisor babo babaho bwire bashitame nabo waganire nabo bababudabude batakarira abantu baba stressed munonga bakiyabona okugwiraro
oguyayongera yagira ngu ekimuretire yarekurira no kugira ngu nayenda kutandika gukora emirimo y'enkomuntu no kuyamba abantu
nanyenga kuyamba abantu society amageza ginyine nakacha kinyine ngariko bantu mbegombe byitu byawe cyaro bataka kwezika bazasakoze cyaro nanye mbwe experience cyindebere mu mahanga gaheruna na Kampala nankahi nshobora abantu becyaro ubundi nabo ebyaro twashanga mu butaro bwahare byakurakurana
kandi bo abakozi ababire nakora nabo bamusima ahabwe emirimo yakozere nabo.
So we thought we should be able to share this, and indeed we are glad. We thank you, Edgar, for agreeing to have this done.
For sure, Edgar, the experience that you've given, it shows what the Bureau actually brings out.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.